Y'all ready? Let's go, y'all ready? Let's go. Hey, my connectors, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, join the family. If you like the food, it's the place to be. You come and have a little fun, what your girl can't see. My connectors, and welcome back to the channel. So today, we're trying the ghost pepper wings. I know we late. We so late. But, I got the ghost pepper wings. Oh, it's a lot of them. Are they just big? Had to take a little thumbnail. I got the AC. I had the air conditioner on, y'all. It's too hot out here to not have your AC on. I'm sorry. So, if you are new to the channel, you can please hit your subscribe button and your notification bell so you be notified when a new video is uploaded. Don't forget to share, like, leave me a comment. All right, let's taste these wings. I think we had these before. Did they bring these back or something? Is that man over there looking at us? Lord, have mercy. We can't even do them up. Let's hurry up and do them up, bang. You good? I'm hungry and they're good. Y'all, if this car don't move. Oh, he's going. Have y'all tried them? The wings? They come with a lot in them, don't they? It feels like it. Oh wait, let me bust it open, cause I don't want y'all saying anything you left all that meat. I'm not chicken. I thought I was gonna get some to try their black and ranch, but I got some sweet heat. So we'll do that one. They good. I do not like going to the ATM when there's cars sitting by the ATM. I just wait till they leave, or either I just won't even go that day. Cause he just sitting over there. I mean, he ain't bothering me, but I'm just saying. And you know what? I don't know, maybe they have security. Because every time I go to this particular ATM by the Walmart, it's always that same car sitting there. And I'm like, I don't know if he's scoping the thing or watching it or security. Is he getting out the car? Oh, I'm checking the hood. I be paranoid. That's why I stay in the house. I be straight paranoid. That's the best way to be, though. You gotta watch your surroundings and stuff. Well, I'm gonna tell y'all this, right? Anyway, the wings are good. I know y'all probably had them or heard about them. They good. But for some reason, in the last, like, 3 days, I done seen so many people getting foot surgery, like cosmetic foot surgery. First of all, I didn't even know it was a thing. Have you heard of cosmetic foot surgery? I didn't know that. I know it was procedures to get your corns or something like that removed, or your bunions. But like if you don't like the way your toes look, you can get them fixed. Now I personally do. I don't like pain, so I'm not having no kind of surgeries unless it's necessary. But I'm a wimp when it comes to pain. Count me out. Them 3 kids took me out. They ruined it for me. I ain't volunteering for no pain. So, yeah, I did not know that. But I'm glad people that are insecure about their feet can get it fixed. And then I didn't know. I bet you said, you must have been living under a rock. But listen, I did not know that they had surgery to make you taller. I didn't know. I did not know. Yeah, they got surgery to make you taller. That's gotta hurt. Drop the whole bag. But yeah. Let me know if y'all heard of these surgeries. I just been living under a rock. I need to come outside more. Yeah. So if you don't want to be 5 feet, 3, 1, 2, whatever, they make you a little taller. Now I heard of putting a little thing in your shoe. You know how the people put the thing in their shoe and make them a little taller? So when you meet people in public, you don't really know how tall they are. They can put a couple inches. Well, I guess they can say the same thing about women. High heel shoes. But a lot of them feet problems and your foot problems come from wearing high heel shoes. They be selling them expensive shoes and they're too tight on your foot. I love high heels and the way they look. But baby, I can't stand up in them things no more than about an hour. You gotta got a good hour on me. And I bet y'all said, girl, you got a lot to get off your chest today about the feet. But no, for real. But then a lot of people spray lidocaine on their feet so their shoes won't hurt. Let me tell you something. If you can't accept me in flip-flops and tennis shoes, baby, it ain't meant to be. I used to be trying to wear them high heels for kids. My feet used to be balled up in my toes. Used to be bossing. No, I can't do it. My toes at the front of them heels was balled up one time. They tell me, you look sexy. I said, I feel stupid. Because why am I going to this much pain trying to impress you and stuff? I need some regular shoes. Give me the ballerina shoes, child. Because that's too much. And then when your feet hurt, you can't even walk sexy no more. Even if you had a nice sexy, stride or whatever. If your feet balled up in them shoes, you're gonna be limping. It hurt too bad. I'm make you say, how you coming in here eating chicken and talking about feet? But it's a serious thing. See, God don't like ugly. It's a serious thing though, because there are a lot of women that sacrificing their toes to look sexy. It hurt too bad. Shout out to you if you're still rocking them high heel shoes for 6 to 8 hours. Baby, they said a foot surgery. Then I saw a lady, she got fillers at the ball of her foot to help her walk in heels. That's too much. But yeah, I just didn't know all that was available. I guess in this day and age, everything is available. Everything. You don't have to be unhappy with anything in this day and age. You can fix it all. I mean, look at my shirt. Look at fried chicken everywhere. Oh, I got me a strawberry lemonade, y'all. Oh, that's so good. I'm sorry if y'all hear that AC. This is too hot. Oh, thank y'all for watching the video yesterday. But yeah, thank y'all for watching the video yesterday. When I tell y'all I had a rough time getting that video out, I was just glad to put it up. I really was. Lord have mercy. It was one thing after the other, one thing after the other. And then when you look back, you gotta tell yourself, just breathe. Just breathe. They need to just keep these on the menu. I don't even think I ordered the regular chicken. I just get these. Because I don't like the big breast. These are perfect. But it's just a chill Sunday, y'all. I mean, what's today? Saturday? Or a chill Saturday. Oh, that long line going over there. I just wanted to pop in and eat the wings with y'all, since I'm probably the last one to taste them. I know what I do want to try, that Burger King Spider-Man Whopper. I know it's probably the same thing, but woo, I'm full. How many they gave me? I think she gave me more than I asked for. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, probably about 2 more than I asked for. That's it. I just wanted to pop in and tell y'all thank y'all so much for watching that video yesterday. Woo! There be some videos where you be like this. Just please watch that one. The other one's okay, I understand. But yeah, if you haven't watched the one from yesterday, just go thumbs it up or something for me. Or let it play or something. God dog. I feel like I was traumatized. Thank y'all so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. Much love, peace, and blessings to each and every one of you. And until the next video, continue making connections with endless possibilities. I love y'all. Bye, y'all.